Hi guys. Please subscribe to the xtutorials and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss a video.
Guys, so what's up? And today I'm gonna teach you how to put end screens and annotations in your YouTube video. So this can be done without the help of any PC or laptop, and this can be done in your own mobile phone. So many of you guys think that it's not possible to do it in the mobile phone. You can upload thumbnails in mobile phones, like downloading the YouTube Studio, and with the help of YouTube Studio you can upload thumbnails and add tags to your videos. But with the help of YouTube Studio, the YT Studio, you cannot put any end screens or annotations to your YouTube video. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So let's get started. So what you do is, let me show you guys. First I go to the YouTube Studio. Here it is. And this is my channel, and here you can see the comments and all the things like my videos. Okay, and look at here. And if you want to edit something, you have to click on the pencil button over here, and I have clicked, and you can edit the thumbnail, you can edit the title, the description and the tags. And if you go in advanced settings, you can change the category, comments, the license and right ownership, all this stuff, but you cannot put any end screens or annotations or any cards to your videos. So this is what I'm going to teach you today. So what you have to do is first go to YouTube, but you cannot go directly to the YouTube app, which is over here. You have to first go to the Chrome, the browser. Once you click on Chrome, you type youtube.com. so here it is, and this is how it will look. This is a bit different from the YouTube app. When you open directly from the YouTube app, this will be a bit different. So what you have to do is click on the three dots over here at the top, the first one, not the second one. When you click on the first one, you have to scroll down and look at the third last option that reads desktop site. You have to click on it. So once you click on it, this will be same as when you open it on your PC or laptop. So this is how it looks when you open YouTube in your PC, right? So what you have to do is click on the profile picture of your YouTube channel, or so once you click on it, this is how it will look. And what you have to do is click on my channel. Yeah, so once you click on my channel, what you have to do is click on any video. Click on any video you want to put the end screens or annotations, etc. After clicking on it, you have to click on edit video. Yeah, so guys, I think you guys know how to put end screen and annotations. So this is how it will look when you open it on your PC. So you have to do what, and when you scroll up here, you can see here end screen and annotations. End screen and annotations. You have to click on it. And here it is, guys. It will look same like how you open it on your PC. So simply what you do in your PC, you have to do the same thing over here. Click on add element and click on create subscribe button or video or playlist, anything you want to put on the screen. And after this, you have to click on choose a video or playlist and select a video which you want to put as an annotation. So this is how you do it, guys, and I'll be back very soon with a new and exciting video.